Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be another haul video. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel. Next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload my video, and you can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today's video is all about this package. This package is from ROMWE. So I just bought few products from that website, and I'll be leaving all the links below, and also I'll be putting the pictures over here, and also like few clips of the videos when I use them, because right now I can't use all the products. So while I'm editing, I'll just put all the clips and videos of the products. So yeah, now we'll see the first item. This is the first item what we got. This is the plastic rollers, like where you can curl your hair. Yeah, obviously I have very curly hair, but you know, sometimes when your hair won't listen to you, so I just wanted to try them because they are like, you know, they won't damage your hair much. So I'll just put a pic over here, and you can just check it out. And yeah, so you'll get four colors, like you'll get four colors, and with different sizes, like two sizes you'll get, two smaller size and two bigger sizes, and that's all made in China. Obviously we all know that ROMWE is a Chinese company, same like Club Factory. So yeah, that's the first item. And the second one is this eye mask, which I got because, you know, when you're traveling it is like very helpful. And I just got 3 of this. Yeah, I just got 3 of this eye mask. And like I feel ROMWE is a bit cheaper compared to Club Factory, because you know, the prices when you compare them, ROMWE has lot more better, cheaper products. And also, yeah, for me it's like, you know, we are not like, you know, we Indians, we can't use our international card, so I took cash on delivery with 80 rupees delivery charges. That's like cool, you know. And yeah, and these are the 3 products, and I really love them because of the cool prints on them. And to my surprise, they are like really soft. They are soft, and they have this elastic over here. So these are like too soft for the price, and they are cool too. I mean, like, look at them, like they are so good. And the next one is this mobile phone stand pop-ups, like, you know, you like, these are like all over the internet, all over the stores, and I just really love them. I got 3 of them again with different prints on it. So I just wanted to give them a try, because, you know, people who keep clicking pictures like me, and you know, you can just, by using this, they'll be like very easy to hold your phones. And these are like cheap again. I just compared like all the websites, and I've checked it, and these are like super cheap on ROMWE. So I just went on and I bought 3 of this. the next one is this bag. I haven't opened this. This is the bag. It's only this much. It's of my face size, and I know this is a very small bag, like it's just a sling bag where you got this sling which you need to tie it up in this buckles over here. And this is like, you know, it's okay for the price I've paid, because you know outside they might sell it for more compared to that. So it just feels okay. The material was like okay, not so good, but you know, once in a while you can just carry the small purse with you while going out. And this is just this size of my, I guess this is the size of my hand. The next one, these are like my favorite one, because they look so cool and they look so good. See, these are the earrings. These are the earrings, and yeah. This is the stud which you'll be wearing it on the front, and this one the hook which goes back, and that's it. This is how it is. I know they are like cool, right? I know. Like outside you might get for more, so this is a bit steal if you ask me. Then the jewelry wise, ROMWE has good products, and I just love all the jewelry what they sell over there, because compared to other websites I find them cheap, and the material is also like good. I mean, the metal is also good, and yeah, they're cool. And the other one, I bought this choker because I love chokers, and outside they are a bit costly. I got this lace choker, but this doesn't feel good. The metal over here looks cheap, and the lace is also, I feel like, very cheap. I feel like if I pull it more tightly it might come off or it might rip, so I just don't feel that good about it. But I guess I have to be very careful while wearing this one. It goes something like this. I know it goes something like this. If I wear very deep necks or anything, I hope this one looks cool, but I have to be like very careful while wearing it, so it's not that up to the mark. And the last one is this dress. This dress is like my favorite, and let me just show you. So this is the dress. Which look at the color. I really love the color. There are like so many colors, but I just really love this color. And this is a corduroy pinafore dress, and yeah, it has buckles. It's like you have to pin it in front. but for me this buckles looks cheap. I think this buttons might come off, but for the cost I guess it's like okay. Except for that, like for the buttons, I really love this material, this dress, the finish, everything is like good, and the color is like good. I'll just put a video or a clip of it. Like I want to see whether this might give color while washing or no, because that's like very important. So yeah, overall this dress is okay, not so bad, not so good, but it's like okay, I can wear it out because it comes till my knees, which is like very good. I thought it might look short or it might be short, but it just comes up to my knees, which is like okay, because I do wear like dresses which are up to my knees. So yeah, this is good. Hope you guys liked it. Comment below. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.